Question number 8. A statue of 1.6 meters tall stands at the top of a pedestal. So it is also like question number 7. Ground is the observer. One pedestal. Next row. This one is statue. Statue. So I'm giving names same A, B, C, D. So you will get same diagram. CD is a pedestal. This one is a statue. A statue of 1.6 meters tall. So the height of the statue is given, that is 1.6 meters. So the height of the pedestal is 1.6 meters. The height of the statue is 1.6 meters from a point on the ground. So here I am taking D is the point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. So the observer is observing top of the statue from point D. So the angle of elevation is given, that is 60 degrees. Next, from the same point. From the same point means here only, D. The angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. So here pedestal top is here. The angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. So height of the pedestal is our question. That one is h meters. So the height of the pedestal is equal to h meters. So here also we can see the two right angles. One is ACD, second one is BCD. Both the right angles having the same length, that is DC is common length. So common length let you take, that is D meters. So the common length is CD. So here this one is, this length is given 1.6 meters. The length of BC is equals to h meters. So solution, it is also like question number 7. AB, the length of AB is given, that is equals to 1.6 meters. So let the length of BC is equals to h meters. BC is equals to h meters. The length of CD is equals to the distance between observer and pedestal is equals to D meters. The angles ADC. Angle ADC is equals to 60 degrees. Angle BDC is equals to 45 degrees. Now, first right angle I am taking, this one is BCD. In triangle BCD. So in triangle BCD, this length is opposite, common length is adjacent. So opposite by adjacent is tan. We take tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equals to the length of opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 45 value is 1. 1 is equals to the length of BC is h by D. So D transpose to left. So D is equals to h is our clue number 1. Next, second triangle, consider second triangle ACD. So in triangle ACD, consider this length is opposite, common length is adjacent. So take tan 60. Tan 60 is equals to opposite by adjacent. Therefore, opposite side is AC, adjacent side is CD. Tan 60 value √3 is equals to the length of AC is equals to 1.6 plus h by D. Same approach, D transpose to left. So D is equals to, we will get 1.6 plus h by √3. So this is second one. So now from 1 and 2, both are equals to, left hand side both are D's only. So now you equate right side. So the common length is D, just to make D as subject in first one. Next second is also just to same subject, D make subject. So left hand side is equal from 192, both are equals to d, we can write h is equals to 1.6 plus h by root 3. So root 3 transpose to left, you will get root 3 h is equals to 1.6 plus h. H transpose to left side, we will get like this, root 3 h minus h is equals to 1.6. So we need to find h value. So take h common, is equals to root 3 minus 1 is equals to 1.6. Now root 3 minus 1 transpose to right side, we will get h is equals to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. So rationalize, multiply root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So that is equals to h is equals to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. H is equals to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are 0.8. That is equals to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters. That is height of the pedestal. Therefore, the height of the pedestal is equals to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters.